OBS Studio is a software used by many in the live streaming space, and although it's free and has a lot of customization options, it can be pretty challenging to set up and use, let alone the PC needed to run it smoothly. So in today's video, I'm going to introduce you to a tool called Evmux that makes live streaming and content creation easier and gives you all the robust features of OBS without the headache and complex setup. So what is Evmux? Evmux is a web-based tool that allows you to create professional, live, and recorded content directly in your browser, meaning it's not software you need to download on your computer. And because of this, it works on any entry-level computer with a web browser, be it your Windows, Mac, or even a low-power Chromebook. It eliminates the need for an expensive computer. And since Evmux is web-based, you can live stream to multiple platforms in 1080p without losing quality or straining your computer. Whereas in OBS, if you don't have a good PC, it's going to be very challenging for you to stream in 1080p, let alone be able to stream to multiple social platforms simultaneously. Now, live streams are very social, so inviting a guest to participate or to interview is a must, and OBS doesn't make that as easy as it should. Within Evmux, you can invite guests with just a single link, and they can join from any device without the need of downloading any app or software, making it easy to collaborate for both parties. Now, you know, sometimes the tech we use can crash or stop working, and although that is the last thing we want to happen while we're live, it can happen. And if you're using OBS, you can say bye-bye to your stream, right? If you're using Evmux, even if your computer crashes or your internet goes out, Evmux keeps your stream running, allowing you to reboot, reset, open your browser back up, and log into Evmux, and you'll be back right where you left off without having to restart the live stream. Pretty cool, right? Now, I know the question is coming of customization, so let me go ahead and address that right now. When you switch from OBS to Evmux, you won't lose the ability for customization. Evmux has a feature called Pro Scenes that allows you to be able to create custom scenes ahead of time, as well as the ability to add lower thirds, add your branding, share your screen, add videos, host meetings, and so much more without the complexity of worrying about your PC settings or software settings. And I know many people pick OBS because it's free, which is fair, but did I mention that almost all the features I've talked about are included in Evmux's free plan? So don't just take my word that Evmux is a live streaming sweet spot. Test it out for yourself. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description where you can go ahead and create your free account, or simply visit evmux.com to be able to get started. And if you want to go ahead and learn more about the features that Evmux offers and want to see videos of me diving deeper into these features, go ahead and click this playlist right here where I do just that. I'll see you guys in the next video.